Hello everyone. I think close to 1 year back, um, one of my interview was taken by Pankaj Goel, who works for Boston Scientific, and it was published on his YouTube channel. Um, I don't remember the name of the channel, and many people actually watched that particular episode, and they sent me few comments on my Facebook. Um, Asking me to continue with certain sessions based on my experience, to give it back to the industry people who are actually on the path of their journey toward achieving that goal that they have set for themselves. So what they want from me, that I should be able to coach people properly on the practical terms, because whatever questions anybody is having, every answer is there in one or another book. But which book to follow, which book to read, it's very tough. But what they need is a very quick answer for a practical problem that they are facing in their career. um, so the problem could be of any kind or any type. For example, how I can manage my boss, how I should be writing emails within the organization, how can I just get away from office politics, why my boss is biased, and how to cope with certain kind of bosses around. So there could be n number of issues that anybody could be coming across. But the problem here is that you need somebody who is very trustworthy, who doesn't judge you while helping you out, and who is not ridiculing you, who is absolutely keeping a very neutral stand while suggesting you some solution. So there were few people who actually approached me and they asked me about their individual issues that they are currently facing. And when I gave them the solutions, they were very happy. And they actually gave me that suggestion that why I should not be doing it on a very general basis for a larger audience. So I was thinking about it, whether I should be doing it or whether should I not be doing it. Is it a right platform to do that? So what I decided now, that every Sunday I will be picking up certain questions or clubbing certain similar kind of queries and try to answer in a video form over LinkedIn and Facebook. So that is part one. Part two. So if you want answer in any particular language, I know only two languages. One is English, another one is Hindi. So very specifically, you need to write along with your question that you want answer in Hindi or English. So I will be ensuring that I answer in a language that is more easily understood by you. So my whole endeavor would be to answer you in a very neutral manner. So you can send your questions to me in the comment section of the same video. If you don't want to be named, just write I want to be anonymous. I will not be taking your names while answering your question. You can also message me on my Instagram handle directly. I will be picking questions from both the places. So these are the only two places where you should be sending your questions. Kindly do not send me a WhatsApp text because it's already very crowded. I might miss your question. One simple suggestion I have for you is that whenever you send a question, try to be as long as possible so that I can understand the background as well while answering your question. Okay, so send me your queries, your questions, where you need my suggestion based on my experience. I do not claim to be in a position to solve your problems, but I can definitely assure you that I will be able to help you out. So keep sending your questions and let's meet on Sunday.